Hello, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. Let's say you have a WordPress website like this. This website is created by WordPress, and you want to prevent anyone from copying your site, images, or content using mouse or right click. You see, I can copy any text or any image by clicking my mouse. Okay, so how to disable it? To disable it, we have to do just one thing. We have to go WordPress dashboard and go to add new plugin. Here we have to download or one plugin. Just right click, RIGST, right click, right click. It's the plugin WP content copy protection and no right click. Okay, just simply installing the plugin and activate it, and my task is completed. Okay, let's check the process. See, I can't copy any text or I can't copy any image. Okay, if we check this site by another sign like this, and I think it will be working. It's working. It's working. So this is the process. I hope you like this video. If you enjoyed it, please like and comment, and yes, please subscribe to my channel. Assalamu alaikum.